Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, do well to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified anytime I upload videos like this. Let's get started. So the first question I solved is as you have it on your screen. That is, we have to write an SQL query that returns employees whose salaries are the same within the same department. So as usual, I select all from the data set to have a feel of how the data set looks like. So in this case, our data set was employee salary. So that's what I did. Run it and voila, this is our data set. So a quick look at this data set, you can see that the columns are employee ID, name, salary, and department ID. And these are the content of our data set. So let's dive right into answering the question. So to begin the whole thing, I decided to, first of all, create a CTE called employee group. So with my comment, I put that comment up there to let everyone know that this is what I did at this particular point in time. So let's start with our CTE. With employee group and that is our CTE, the content of my CTE is as follows. Now this CTE was to group the table with respect to the various departments and also count the salaries that existed within each department from our data set. So I did this to, first of all, make sure that the various departments are grouped. Then in each department, we count the salaries in there. So if the salaries are the same, what is going to happen is we are going to have a count of, let's say, if two salaries are the same, we are going to get the count or salary count being 2. If three of them are the same, we are going to have salary count being 3. If it is not repeating itself, or let's say if a salary appears to be the only one in the data set, or in that particular department, what happens is that it will be assigned a value 1. So basically that is what happened in this CTE. Now to our main query, I selected my employee ID, the name, salary, and the department ID. And all this, I did the selection from my CTE, which is the employee group. Then I added this filter to which is where the salary count is greater than 1. So we run this to see whether we will get the outcome. This is what we got. So this is our table, and when you look at our table, we can find out that the entries of this table show that the salary 3,000 repeats itself, the salary 4,000 also repeats itself, and the names of these employees that are having the same salary from the same department are shown in this table. If you would like to have the query, this is the query on your screen. Now let us also look at the content of our CTE so that the whole thing will be clear to everyone. So we run our CTE, and this is what we get, you realize that the CTE gave us a table that shows the count of the salary. Now you can see the grouping of the department. In here we have department ID 11 appearing 3 times, department ID 12 appearing 3 times, and department ID 13 appearing only once. Now you can see the count of the salaries. If a salary appears twice, you can see the number 2 assigned to it. If it appears once, you see 1 assigned to that. So basically, that is what our CTE was meant for, and it did that perfectly. So running our main query actually selected the ones that had salary counts more than 1, and that answered our interview question. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it for others to see. Remember, if you are new on this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload videos like this. Bye, and catch you in the next one.